Hey y'all, I'm so excited to show you our cabinet panel ready fridges with the mirror. First, you will need window glass cleaner, white vinegar, a spray bottle, Krylon Looking Glass spray, metallic gold leaf spray. I did not end up using it. It is optional. You also need to get some glass cut to your cabinet size. Your cabinet maker can tell you this. We're going to go through and clean off our glass first, both sides. Then we're going to go in with our Krylon Looking Glass. Want to shake that really well. We're just going to go over with one quick pass. Here you can kind of see through this still. This is with one coat. It's not super tight. It does make it look more distressed. I've also sprayed on, you can do vinegar or water. It gives it like a bubble effect. I ended up not loving it, so I wiped it off. Once all the vinegar or water was wiped off, I went in with the Krylon Looking Glass. I did not end up using the metallic gold leaf. It does give a really pretty gold finish, but I really liked the look of just the mirror distressed. So I went in with quite a few coats, and it still ended up giving a beautiful distressed look. It wasn't a perfect mirror. Now you can order just a mirror from your glass company, and it will look like a brand new nice mirror, but I wanted this distressed look, and the Krylon Looking Glass gives that. I gave the finished mirrors to my cabinet maker. He was able to install them and complete my design. This is the panel ready fridge we went with. It fit perfect in our space. However, there are many other models you can pick from. We are absolutely obsessed with the finished product. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.